Imagine a drone so small it fits in your hand, yet powerful enough to capture breathtaking cinematic footage that rivals professional setups. The upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro might just be that drone. DJI is reportedly taking everything great about the Mini 5 Pro and pushing it even further, and if the leaks are true, this drone could change the game again. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where innovation meets obsession. And today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro, a drone that could redefine what portable aerial photography really means. DJI's Mini series has always been the sweet spot for creators, travelers and professionals who want pro-level results without the bulk. But this time, DJI seems to be aiming higher, much higher. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a small upgrade. It looks like a complete reimagination of what a compact drone can do. And yes, it might be the most exciting drone release of 2025. Now, the biggest question everyone's asking is, what will DJI change this time? Let's start with the design. Leaks suggest a lighter, more aerodynamic body with carbon-infused materials to make it even sturdier and more wind-resistant. DJI has reportedly focused on improving flight stability in strong wind conditions, something even the Mini 5 Pro struggled with in high-altitude areas. Despite its improved structure, it's still expected to stay under that magic 249-gram limit, keeping it in the lightweight category and avoiding certain drone registration requirements in many countries. But let's be honest, design is just the beginning. What most people care about is that camera, and this is where things get interesting. Rumors point to a new 1-inch sensor, possibly co-engineered with Hasselblad again. If true, that means we're getting much better dynamic range, cleaner low-light shots, and richer color depth. It's said to support 5.7K video recording with HDR at 60 frames per second. That's a big jump from the Mini 5 Pro's 4K 60. And for those who shoot at night or during golden hour, DJI might introduce a new adaptive HDR mode that automatically balances bright skies and dark shadows for that cinematic look right out of the camera. But that's not all. DJI could be adding a dual native ISO system, which means even better control in mixed lighting environments. Imagine flying through a sunset scene where every frame looks perfectly balanced. No crushed blacks, no blown-out highlights. Just smooth, clean video. And yes, expect improved photo capabilities too. Possibly up to 60 megapixels with RAW support and faster burst shooting for capturing moving subjects. Now, let's talk about something every drone pilot cares about. Flight time. The Mini 5 Pro gave us solid endurance, but the Mini 6 Pro might stretch that to a new level. According to several leaks, DJI could be introducing a new high-density battery with improved cooling efficiency, giving us up to 47 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's insane for something this small. And with the rumored new charging dock, you could recharge up to 3 batteries faster than ever before. Speaking of upgrades, let's talk about sensors. DJI is known for its obstacle avoidance systems, and this time, the company seems ready to go all in. Expect an upgraded 6-direction obstacle sensing system with smarter detection algorithms. DJI might even integrate AI-based predictive pathfinding, meaning the drone doesn't just see obstacles, it anticipates them before you get too close. That's the kind of safety and intelligence pilots have been waiting for. And yes, DJI's tracking technology is also rumored to be getting a huge boost. ActiveTrack 6.0 could take subject tracking to a new level, especially for fast-moving objects. Whether you're mountain biking, running, or filming a moving car, the Mini 6 Pro could lock onto the subject with improved accuracy and smoother transitions. This means fewer sudden jerks in footage and more cinematic movement overall. Another major rumor is the introduction of O4 Plus transmission technology, an upgrade to DJI's already powerful O4 system. This would allow video transmission up to 20 kilometers away, with ultra-low latency and crisp 1080p live feed straight to your controller or smartphone. That kind of range and stability could open up entirely new ways to shoot in large environments like beaches, mountains, or cityscapes. But DJI isn't stopping there. The new RC controller might feature a brighter 1000 nit display with faster processing for smoother live preview. There's even talk about customizable buttons for quick access to focus modes, gimbal lock, or camera profiles, giving pilots more control right from their fingertips. And let's not forget about smart features. DJI may introduce new AI-assisted flight modes like Smart Orbit 2.0, which automatically frames your subject while adjusting altitude and camera angle. There might also be a new cinematic follow mode designed for creators who want to replicate movie-like shots effortlessly. Pair that with rumored support for 10-bit D-Log recording, and this drone could deliver professional color grading flexibility that used to be reserved for much more expensive models. Now, if you're wondering about the price, it's expected to sit somewhere between $899 and $999 for the base package, keeping it competitive while offering a massive leap in features. Considering how much tech DJI seems to be packing into this, that price range sounds more than fair. And about the release date, while nothing is official yet, many leakers point toward early 2025, possibly between March and April. That timeline aligns with DJI's usual product cycle and would make sense if the company wants to dominate the spring and summer drone season. What's interesting is how DJI is positioning the Mini 6 Pro. It's no longer just a travel drone for beginners. It's evolving into a serious creative tool that could easily sit beside professional gear. With this kind of performance, creators might not even need to carry larger drones like the Air 3 or Mavic 4 in many cases. The gap is closing fast. There's also speculation that DJI might add modular attachments this time, like a detachable ND filter system, a new charging hub, or even a clip-on light for nighttime flying. If that happens, it would add another layer of flexibility for creators who want to customize their setups. And while competitors like Autel and Skydio are trying to innovate in automation and AI, DJI continues to dominate with refinement, polish, and a level of reliability few can match. That's why so many professionals, from filmmakers to travel vloggers, trust DJI. Their drones just work. And if the Mini 6 Pro really delivers what's being teased, it could be the ultimate all-in-one drone for everyone, from hobbyists to seasoned pilots. But here's the big thing. The drone market in 2025 isn't just about specs. It's about how well these machines integrate with the creator ecosystem. DJI knows that. That's why we might see tighter integration with DJI's editing app, with AI-assisted editing, instant color correction, and auto-syncing with music. Imagine shooting, editing, and posting cinematic footage right from your phone, all within minutes. That's the kind of experience DJI wants to deliver. So should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? Absolutely. If you're thinking of upgrading or buying your first drone, this could be the one to hold off for. It's shaping up to be not just an evolution, but a revolution in compact drone technology. The DJI Mini 6 Pro seems built to impress from every angle: design, camera, stability, intelligence, and performance. DJI is proving again why it leads the drone industry year after year. And if the leaks are accurate, this might just be the most advanced mini drone ever made. What do you think? Would you upgrade to the Mini 6 Pro when it launches? Or do you think DJI has reached the limit of what a sub-250G drone can do? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more upcoming tech reviews. You don't want to miss what's next, because the next generation of DJI drones is just getting started. This is Tap Tech, where technology meets passion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.